What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I know it's been a while. And also I've been busy with work and I have a kid. And he's about to turn 2 years old on October. So I have like a lot of stuff coming up this week. And I've just been busy with work too, but they called me off for a whole week, so I should be having time to like upload more stuff. But here's a kind of late update of the Lexus. I actually lowered it. If you guys didn't see the last video, check it out. Yeah, I finally lowered it. I'm on I decided to go with Rev 9 coilovers for my budget, but they ride pretty good and they go pretty low. And from the white wheels, I actually sold those because the wheels in the rear were rubbing too much onto my my fender, and even though I raised it so many times in the rear, it still would rub. So I didn't want to deal with it, and the tire kept like coming off, like some pieces kept like flying every time I hit a bump. So I just got rid of it and sold it. But now I'm on different a different wheel setup, so I'll show you guys right now. So here's the GS lowered on coils. So I'm running some wheels from IS250 F Sport. These are 18s. I don't know the specs, but I know these are 18s, and it's a stagger setup. So I got the 225/40 in the front, and then the 255/35/18 in the back. So this is how the height came out. It's pretty good in my opinion. I want to tuck more in the back, but I still daily this thing, so I don't want to go too crazy. I also put a Yakima bike rack on top. Got this for 50 bucks off one of my friends. It looks pretty good. It's definitely a different look, because I know there's a lot of GS300s out here, and I want to be different from them. I also threw on some blast pipes. They look pretty good. They don't stick out as much, but I like it like this. So these are Wicked Flow, and yeah, that's basically it on the update of the GS. I'm actually gonna head to the tire shop because one of my tires I found in the rear has a nail, so I don't want to risk anything. So we're actually gonna head to the tire shop. Yep. Oh shit. So take you guys along with me as I head to the tire shop. See you in a bit. Alright, so we're in the car, getting ready to take off. Hopefully the camera doesn't fly because it's the best position I can get it at. But yep, let's go. How you guys been? How's this COVID variant treating you guys? I know it's been crazy. I know for the car people that what is it? Getting parts shipped from places to places is kind of hard because the back order thing, and this is like, it's hard to get parts, especially if it's from Japan. Well, Japan, I know they have the best parts and it's like authentic stuff. Yeah, I feel sorry for you guys. But having a kid, it's truly a blessing. I'm not gonna lie. It changed my life. It changed my ways. And I don't know. It's just good to know that you have someone to look after, and you can watch them grow. Cause like I had nieces and nephews, and I like watched them grow and all. And so now I know how, kind of know how to take care of a baby. Okay, the camera's flying everywhere. I'll just get back to you guys when we get to the tire shop. Alright, so we just pulled up to the tire shop. Turn the car off. So we're at Tire for Less and South Sac, new and used tires. We're just gonna get a quick used tire. I don't need brand new tires yet. Oh, look at that, my muffler tip is crooked. Ah, that's fucking hot.
Oh my god!
So my muffler tip wasn't actually welded. We just mounted on. And they're coming off, so I gotta take it off now. The things you do for photos. Well, I know I'm gonna want a monsoon. Alright, let's go talk to these guys, see if they have my tire. I need a 255, 35, 18. Let's see. And look at that. So they're charging me $50.
Nice.
For 70-cent tread tire. I think that's pretty good. That includes balancing and of course mounting. Should be quick. I'll try to get some cinematics for you guys because I don't want to record the workers while they're working.
Hey, yeah, baby, be my bubble gum. I can be so troublesome. I just wanna love you some. You don't gotta owe me none. Now I'm on the road, doing shows. That's just how it go. Taking off your clothes, let it show. Money never fold. You my rider till we die. You my angel in the sky. Blowing kisses like a blunt. Baby girl, I'm tryna stunt. You can be my number one. Won't you be my bubble gum? Yeah. Won't you be my bubble gum?
Yeah, so as I was saying about how having a kid, it is a blessing and all, but just know if you're planning to have one soon, you won't have time to do really anything because your priority is your kid. But yep, it's been a blessing for sure. Shout out to all the young parents out there. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, we are waiting for the car to be done. We got a Tesla right here. Yeah, man, crazy with the gas prices. Everybody's getting a Tesla now. Like, even I would get it, but I don't have the money. But they do look nice, I'm not gonna lie. Check these guys out. It's called Tires for Less out here in South Sacramento. Pretty good pricings for me because I think I've been here once. And that was a long time ago. Well, this OG is getting his Z aligned. Black Z. So yeah, here's the coils I'm running. They're Rev 9s. And I'm not maxed out. So I can go lower. I want to tuck in the rear, but I don't know if that will cause any fitment issues because I do still have my fender liner thing. But yeah, he's balancing the tire right now. So we just finished up getting the tire on. Everything's good, no leaks. Definitely better tire than I had before because that one had a camera wear, it was showing wires, had a nail on it, so I couldn't take that kind of risk. But right now we headed back near my place and get out of this area because man, these freaking excuse my language, but these fucked up streets, man, there's like so many potholes, like cracks in the roads. It's like you can't take this super see what I mean? Oh shit. You can't take a super static car over here, man. This shit will eat up your bottoms, literally. So we're headed home. We're gonna stop by AutoZone because I have to clean some oil spills from a long time ago, and there's this chemical thing cleaner at AutoZone that works pretty good because I used it before and the results are like, it's unbelievable. But yeah, it works pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna go pick that up, maybe put in the video process of me cleaning the oil out. We'll see. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Got the tire done. We're gonna go clean this oil from the side parking of my house. And then I also ordered a mat from Amazon. God damn. I ordered a mat from Amazon. It says it absorbs oil and it won't leak through, so that should be good. The reason why I'm leaking oil, I believe so, is because my valve cover gasket is probably old already, and I don't know when the previous owner changed it, but I'm gonna change it just to be safe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a valve cover gasket, and whatever leak it is, I'll find out what it is and I'll get it situated. But I'll hit you guys when we're at AutoZone, because I'm driving. Peace. Just got to AutoZone, a car guy's go-to place. The reflection of the GS. Yep, let's see what they got in here. And let's go. I don't know if I recorded in the store, but I'll try to sneak a couple clips. AutoZone. Damn, diesel exhaust fluid. Silver oil. We're looking for right here. Driveway and concrete. This one is a good one. 12 bucks. I thought it was 8 bucks. Well, got what we needed. This is pretty good for oil and everything. Ooh. Custom taillights. We got the goodies. Yeah, so this is pretty good. I recommend it. Driveway and concrete. Look, it moves dirt, oil, grease stains. And the liquid is actually like green. It's not like clear or nothing like that. So last time I used the whole bottle. I should have just used a little bit, but yeah. What you do is you let it sit. You pour it down, let it sit. Grab like a wire brush, which I have, and then just scrub it good. Let it sit. If you have a pressure washer, that's best results right there. And pressure wash it out, and then it should come out, and then you'll see, like, as you're pressure washing, you see the old oil coming out of the concrete slash driveway. And yep, you like, it's like kind of, I don't know if it's satisfying to some of you guys, but to me it is. And yeah, so let's go home and I'll see you guys there. And I guess in this video I'm gonna show you guys how the chemical oil thing works. The oil mat that I got from Amazon. This is a large one, 29 by 36. It says it absorbs leaks, doesn't soak through, and yeah, it's good. See how this works. This is a wire brush. These are pretty good to use to scrub off oil like that. This is what I picked up from Amazon earlier, the concrete cleaner. Yep, set it up. But got my boba. Let's lay this chemical down. You just lay it down on where the oil is and just let it sit, and you can see like dark brown. That's the old oil. That's the oil from the floor. It's eating it up, and once it's done sitting for like at least 10 minutes, you can just scrub it with your wire brush or any brush you have. And then if you need more, you can put more. I'm trying to conserve mine just in case, because last time I used the whole bottle. But so let it sit for a little bit and then start scrubbing, and then you can rinse it out. Yep, it's been about, say, like 5-10 minutes, and it dried up already from the sun. So I put some more down, and I'm just gonna scrub it before it dries up. See all that oil coming off. So that's what I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hope you enjoyed. I don't know when I'm gonna make another video, maybe when there's something interesting, but I'm gonna end this video off with a little cinematic.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat that you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna